Today I'll be making a strawberry bubblegum flavored pound cake. I usually make adult flavors, but I have my niece and nephew over here, so I'm gonna try this. All right, we're gonna put 3 sticks of butter, 3 cups of sugar, and we're gonna blend that until nice and fluffy. All right, our butter and sugar mixture is ready to go. Now we're gonna add 6 eggs. We're gonna add the eggs in one at a time. And you're gonna mix it well, probably about 35 to 40 seconds after each egg. There goes our first egg. Now we're gonna mix it about 35 to 40 seconds. All right, when you're mixing your eggs in, mix them on medium speed, about 35 to 40 seconds. Now I'm gonna add my second egg. Adding in the second egg. And we have 4 more to go. We're about to add in our last egg. And after we mix our last egg up, I'm going to add in about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of pink food coloring. This is supposed to be a fun pound cake, so we want to make it have a fun color. I've added in my food coloring. Just gently mix it in. See that pretty pink color coming in? Okay, my lighting isn't the greatest in here, but it is a pretty pink color. We're gonna add in our flour and our heavy cream and our flavorings. We're gonna add our flour and our heavy cream alternately. So put in the flour, add a little bit of heavy cream, and you do that until you've mixed all the flour and heavy cream, and then we're gonna add in our flavor. All right, I added 3 cups of sifted cake flour, and to my cake flour, I added a little, maybe about an 1/8 cup of strawberry instant pudding. I added in my bubblegum flavoring and my strawberry flavoring. Now we're gonna mix well and get ready to put this in a pan. All right, the batter's ready. We're about to put it in a Bundt pan and put it in the oven. We're not gonna put all of it in the Bundt pan. We'll save a little bit so the Bundt pan doesn't overflow, and we'll use the excess for mini cupcakes. Okay, our batter's in the cake pan. And you may not believe it, but this tastes really good. It tastes like strawberry bubble gum. And we have about this much batter left. Gonna make a few mini cupcakes. All right, you guys give me your honest opinion on what the batter tastes like. You go first, Rakaya.
It tastes like vanilla, strawberry.
And what else?
And bubblegum.
Bubblegum? Oh, wow. Have you ever had a bubblegum pound cake?
Never.
Oh. Y'all don't act too enthused. What about you, Dakari? What do you think?
I think it's icing with bubblegum.
Icing with bubblegum, but
Strawberry icing.
Yeah, but it's not icing, it's batter. Well, Rakaya, you're still eating it, so you must like it. I can't wait to see the cake in the oven. And I'm making some mini cupcakes. Okay, thank y'all for your input.
This is delicious.
Delicious? Well, you clean that spoon up real good. You too, Dakari. Cake is in the oven, rising. The cake is rising very nicely. And so are the cupcakes. Here's our strawberry bubblegum Bundt cake. I think it turned out pretty good. See that little crust? I love when the crust comes around the edges like that. This is our bubblegum cake, and believe it or not, it is good. You have to try it. I mean, it is yummy. Inside of our strawberry bubblegum cake, and I promise you, it is yummy.